Is keyframes and how to change something on your timeline, visuals. So what you do is you double click on your shot, and it'll bring up in this window here. And you go over to effects controls, and what do you want to do? You want to rotate, right? So you grab here and you rotate. Okay. Um, Now we can have that happen over time if you want, by having it, turn on this stopwatch here. Let's say, zoom in, take a peek at that. Now, when you do that, notice how this is blue. It creates a keyframe. The keyframe is a moment in time, a value in a moment of time. So if we were to go, if we were to go later in time and make another keyframe, there's two ways of making keyframes. You can either hit this thing here, which says add or remove keyframe, or you could simply change the value. So then when it goes from here to here on your timeline, it's going to change the whatever those values are. So let's have a yeah. So that's what you got. You can do that with scale. You can do it with position. So that means that if you want to, you could potentially do a zoom out from there. You can do a fade and a lot of other things.